ladies, we're back to Calabria in Italy, and today I'm going to make potatoes and onions Calabrian style. Okay, so I'm cutting up these potatoes. I've already cut the onions, and the way the Calabrian style differs from everything else is we boil the potatoes and onions first before we put them in the oil, and we give them a fry. You can air fry them, you can do them. I'm going to do them on top of the stove in some olive oil later. And I'm just dicing up these potatoes and getting them in here. And then when we come back, I'm going to show you. We're going to put them, I have some, you see the steam coming out over here, Anthony. I'll show you. I have the boiling water going over there. And we're going to get these boiled off. And then we're going to show you how we make the potatoes. It makes a great side dish with a vegetable and some sort of meat, and you got it covered. So this is Pete. Remember to watch the shorts. They go in numerical order. Anthony's being very careful to number from 1 to whatever they are. Watch the shorts, and we love you all.
There's cakes in the oven, too.
Yeah, we have cake going, too, today. You know, this is a multifaceted kitchen. The Carpizzo Bakery, then the Carpizzo, line cook chef thing like we used to have in our restaurant. So there you got it. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. We love you all. Please subscribe. Watch the shorts to this. Calabrian potatoes. The trick is to boil them first till they're tender and then throw them in your oil or your air fryer. So this is Peter Carpizzo's out.